Hey friends, a lot of users have claimed that the keyboard keeps on typing gibberish whenever they try to type. Here's the reason. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab, select language and region. The language may be incorrect, so make sure that English United States is on the top. Even if it is a display language, it should be on the top here. And if you find any other language, for example, any irrelevant language like Chinese or something, just remove it. Only keep the absolutely necessary languages on your system. Since we speak English here, I would suggest you to keep English United States and not even any other form of English on your system. Now, if this does not help, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane, or search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.